Alright, we're at the New World Shopping Mall, and you remember these elevators here are my childhood elevators that I've been to. My very first I rode, and I have to talk over the music. But look what we got. Schindler M Series. Once it'll focus. Touch buttons. Gotta love the touch buttons. Alright, this one is here. Oh, it just went down. Let's see which one will... Here's this one right here. Elevator is going down. Here's your cab view of this. Alright, let's go into -3. There's your indicator. Boy, it is raining outside there. I'm gonna have to get out the copyrighted audio. And we're gonna go back up to the 3rd floor. Barely touch it. There's your view outside. Same like it was before. Alright, here we are on the 3rd floor. The button goes out and the door opens up. Alright, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.